The stars are out, but it'll probably still feel like midday because the heat is unrelenting for this game between the Tennessee Volunteers and the Bruins of UCLA. The college football season continues, and I got to tell you, Lee and Kirk, I am ready for this game. We're ready to get this one underway as the teams are lined up for the opening kick. And this one's away. Number 21 takes it at the 16. Now we'll get to see how this quarterback can do today as he comes out onto the field for the first time. Today we get to watch a spectacular athlete at running back. When he's on the field, as he is right now, defenses really have to tailor their game plan for him.
He's a heck of a player, and I really believe that he could have a huge game today.
That makes two of us then. I just don't know if there's enough talent on this defense, especially at linebacker, to compete with such a great running back.
Well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see.
They line up at the 33. It's second down and 8 to go. The ball, line up with 3 wide. Again, he'll get the call. He's taken down at the 34-yard line. A 1-yard gain by the halfback. From their own 34-yard line, it's third down and 7 yards to go. Ace backfield. Gets the ball. Well, they faked it. Rolling out to the right side. Throws to the middle. Way to look it in. They pick up a few yards there on the pass.
And I'll tell you what, that fake handoff froze the secondary just enough to allow for the receiver to come up with a nice gain that time. Good call.
First and 10. Ball on their own 45. The offense lines up with 3 wide receivers. Handoff up the middle. And he's hammered down. The halfback just couldn't get back to the line of scrimmage. Loss of 1. It's second and 11. Ball on the 44. They'll use a 4-4 defense here. They give to the tailback. Make the move. He's tackled at the 44-yard line. 0 yards on that play. The defense will try to stop this third down as they were unsuccessful the first time on this drive. They come out with 4 linebackers. Across the middle. Got him on the run. And he's tackled right away. The quarterback has rifled that one in there for a good game.
Boy, he's throwing the football with some pop, isn't he, Coach?
Hey, if he's not careful, he's going to break his receiver's fingers.
They come out in a punt formation. Number 47 awaits the snap. He punts this one high in the air. This one's going to be down in the end zone for a touchback. So the offense will come out in opponent's territory for their first drive of the game.
They couldn't have asked for better field position than this.
They have a chance to jump on them here. Let's see if they can do it.
UCLA goes with the ace set here. They hand it off. He's knocked out of bounds at the 31-yard line.
On defense, it's all about instincts. It didn't look like their instincts worked too well on that play.
You're right, Lee. There was a lot of running room there.
First down, 10 to go. Ball on the 31-yard line. There's the play fake. Throws this one out to the right. It's deflected. Oh, he had a shot at the pick. And that one probably should have been picked off.
Yeah, are you kidding me? There's a blanket around that receiver. Somebody else had to be open.
From their own 31-yard line. Second down and 10 to go. They'll give it off here. He's taken down at the 36-yard line. That'll be a gain of 5. Third down. The Bruins come out in the ace formation. He drops back. Lets it go. And this one's going to get intercepted. And he dives forward. And the safety made a really nice play on the ball to grab the interception.
This guy's got potential. I'll tell you what, if he keeps it up, you might see him playing on Sundays.
They'll go to work at the 35. Tennessee lines up in a shotgun set. Break one. Diving for extra yardage. Tackle at the 45-yard line. Picked up big yards there, and he's going to have a first down.
Yeah, nice job there. This guy does a good job in reading his blocks and accelerating through the holes.
45-yard line. First down. Number 8 with 3 wide receivers. And he puts it on the turf. They line up at the 47. 2nd and 12 coming up here. Tennessee goes with the ace set here. And he's leveled at the 47.
They sent the blitz and drilled the running back before he could find any daylight.
3rd down and 12. Ball right around midfield. Looking to throw. He gets it away, and it's a skyrocket. Number 19 fields it at the 11.
The defense came up with a big interception last time, Kurt.
Yep, Coach. And they're going to have to come up with another big play if they want to keep points off the board because this offense has great field position.
The Bruins line up with a single set backfield. And they hit him in the backfield. A 4-yard loss. It's 2nd down now, 14 to go. Ball on the 8. The Bruins come out in the ace formation.
Set. Hey.
Gets the ball. No, they faked it. Lets it fly. Complete. Brought down at the 29-yard line.
That's a first down right there.
Yeah, if I was the defense, I think I would man up on these guys next time.
Well, this quarterback is very good at recognizing zone coverage and then finding the open receiver.
First down. UCLA comes to the line, only one man in the backfield. Looking, throws it out there. And that one's incomplete. And a great job that time on defense.
Good job here, but let me tell you something. That wideout was left out to dry that time. Woo.
2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on the 29. UCLA goes with the ace set here. He rolls out to the right. He passes it. Incomplete pass. Number 4 was the intended target on the play. That'll bring up 3rd down. 3rd and 10. Ball on the 29-yard line. Number 36 is the single setback. And he takes a big hit at the 26. Tennessee takes a timeout, and that was their first timeout. So it's 4th down, and the offense is still on the field. UCLA comes out with an I formation.
Set. Hey.
Here we go. Number 12 delivers. Another kick. Tackle made at the 41. 4th and a mile, and they just barely get the first down.
Just barely is right. I like the play calling here. Sometimes you got to roll the dice a little. In this case, it worked.
UCLA sets up in the I. He delivers. They can't connect. Incomplete. There's a flag on the field, and I think I have a good feeling of what this might be.
He didn't even try to hide it there. That was a blatant holding call.
They'll call that every time.
First down. The Bruins line up with trips right. Counter play. And he's taken down at the 32. The halfback picks up a yard. Second and long. The Bruins line up in an I formation. Drop back to back. Looks. Fires deep down the right side. It's tipped. How about that play?
They tried to squeeze that one in there. Forget about it.
We're at play number 9 of this current drive. 3 wideouts here. He's looking to pass. He's looking. He's drilled as he throws. That close. So they're going to go for it here. The Bruins line up with a single set backfield. Play fake. He's rolling right. Throws it to the outside. And this one falls incomplete. Coach, why would you go for it there?
I'm still trying to figure that one out. It doesn't make sense to me.
I mean, guys, it's only the first half. There's still a lot of football to be played. That's just a poor decision.
They'll set up shop at the 32-yard line. Tennessee lines up in a shotgun set. He drops back. Fires this one. Grounded ball.
The defense looked alive on that play.
Yeah, Coach, you did a great job of reading the play and beating the receiver to the ball.
That'll bring up second down. Second down and 10 to go. Ball on the 32. Tennessee sets up in the I. Back to pass. He throws it. That's incomplete.
Yo, you can credit that incompletion to the pass rush. Great job of not letting the quarterback get comfortable back there.
He didn't throw a good pass at all.
All that, Kirk. He was under pressure. Unbelievable pressure.
They line up at the 32. It's third down. Back to pass. Steps up in the pocket. He's under pressure. They bring the quarterback down. I think the offensive line missed a block there.
Somebody did. It was like a jailbreak up front, and the linebacker will get the credit for the sack.
Tennessee will take a timeout. Looks like they're going to go for it on fourth down. So we'll probably get one last heave to the end zone here before halftime. He's looking to pass. He's going right. It's caught off the tip. Touchdown. Oh.
How about that? He's in the end zone. There was no time left on the clock. What a way to end the first half.
You talk about taking the momentum into the locker room. What a passing catch.
And they're lining up for the PAT. He makes the PAT. Reach halftime here. The score at the break. Tennessee 7, UCLA. Decent kick. Number 19 fields it at the 3. And now we'll see the offense come out of the field for their next possession. From their own 22-yard line. First down. UCLA goes for the ace set here. Here's the give. Fumble, loose ball. Offense falls on it. The offense will keep possession after the fumble by the running back.
It's a good thing they can't afford a turnover right now.
They line up at the 19. It's second and 13. Drop back to pass. Looking. He's rolling left. They'll lose 8 yards there. Third down and long coming up here. Six DBs in the lineup. There's the play fake. Throws it. And It's incomplete.
And that one's going to go down in the stats as a drop, but that would have been a tough catch.
Well, when you're going to school for free to play football, they expect you to catch those, Kirk. Now, I know the defender got in there to break it up, but there are just no excuses for that. You touch it, you catch it. That always has been the rule.
The Bruins come out in the ace formation. Setting up play action. He rolls left. Oops. He's wrapped up for the sack. They elected to go for it and failed.
And it's tough to come back when you give your opponent good field position like that.
Excellent field position to start the drive. High formation, looking for 6. They give to the tailback. They'll get him for a loss. It was the defensive lineman that got a hold of him there.
And when that kid gets a hold of you, then you usually go down.
And you're not going to break many tackles when this guy gets his hands on you.
From the 3-yard line, we've got 2nd and goal. Let's see if they can punch this one in. Pull that handoff, and he's hammered down.
That was a great hit by the defender. He just drove the ball carrier right to the ground.
This is a big play for the offense that can put them up by 2 scores. It's 3rd down from the 4. High formation, looking to punch it in here.
And plenty of options on this play, you guys.
And they couldn't hook up on that one. The tailback, the intended target.
Well, here the quarterback put just a little bit too much on the ball and overthrew him.
They'll line up for the field goal, and this is nothing more than a chip shot. This one is from 21 yards out. Number 26 can make it a 2-score game. It's up, and he's got it. Ready to return. He kicks it off. Number 19 has it at the 5. A confident defense heads out onto the field after stopping this offense on a 4th down attempt the last time they were on the field.
And the last thing you want to do is to come out and do nothing again and give them even more confidence.
The offense will start at the 30. He drops back. Looking. Rolls to the left. Lofting it out. Got a man wide open. Incomplete. He overshot his halfback that time. It's 2nd and 10. The Bruins line up with 3 wide. Back to pass. He's looking for his man. Caught. Great concentration.
Defense was coming with heat on that play.
Yeah, but the offensive line did a good job of picking up their assignments, and that gave the quarterback enough time to throw a nice pass to pick up the 1st down.
Number 36, alone in the backfield. Drops back on 1st down. Surveys the field. They bring him down.
Wow. He went down pretty hard.
Coaches don't like it when their quarterback gets hit like that. Don't be surprised to see the old coach get on his linemen to protect the quarterback a little bit better.
2nd and long. Ball on the 38. The defense lines up in a dime. Back to pass. Across the middle. It's tipped. And he's tackled right away. And that's what we were talking about earlier.
Absolutely. Nice pass play here. The quarterback shows some guts here throwing this one into coverage, but good accuracy. And again, great timing on the throw.
They line up at the 42. It's 3rd down and 3 to go. The Bruins are lining up with 3 receivers. He'll try to get the first through the air. Throws down the middle. The ball is tipped. And he threw that one up for 39. Dives forward. Tries to juke. Fumble! Scoops up the loose ball. And he is grilled at the 43. They turn the ball over to the defense with that fumble, and the head coach has got to be upset with his halfback after that one.
Any coach would be upset after his running back fumbles. The first thing a running back learns is how to grip and secure the football.
Well, hopefully he shakes it off and forgets about it. There's nothing he can do now.
They'll go to work at the 43-yard line. Number 36 lines up as a single back. Drops back to pass. He's under some heat. Great speed to find his way to the quarterback.
You know, if I were the coach, I'd line this kid up at defensive end every now and then.
Wow, can you imagine that? On third and long type situations, he'd make a great rush in.
It's second down and a long ways to go. UCLA comes to the line, only one man in the backfield. Back to pass. Looks, rolling out to the left side. Across the middle. That's incomplete. The receiver couldn't catch up to that ball.
No, he couldn't, and I'll tell you what, the quarterback was conscious of the blitz that time by the defense. That may have been the reason that he overthrew the football.
Passing situation here on third and long. Ball on the 47. On play action. He looks, going long. Found his man. He's all the way down to the 25.
Wow. Well, don't go away yet, folks.
That was just a great pass and catch, and what perfect timing to get something going.
I think this defense got a little bit soft with the two-possession lead. They better pick it up because this game is a long way from being over.
The Bruins come out in the ace formation. He's looking to pass. Looking. He rolls out to the left. He throws. It's deflected. Big play by the defense.
That's why they call him a safety, because he's the last line of defense. Right there, he protected the end zone. What a play.
It's second and 10. UCLA goes with the ace set here. Looks. He's rolling left. Throwing left. He's right there for the interception. He's taken down at the 26. And they come up with another turnover.
Yeah, the defense is playing very opportunistic out there today. That was their third interception of the game.
Tennessee will line up in a jumbo set here. Dives for extra yardage. And he's tackled at the 28-yard line. Couple of yards there. Second and 8. Ball on the 28. Number 27 lines up in a deep back. I formation. Here's the give, and he hits him hard at the 30. Number 27 picks up 2 yards with the carry. It's third down and 6 to go. Tennessee sets up in the I. He's looking down the middle. Into coverage, and the defense has it. Hopes of a comeback are alive again after that big interception.
And now this is what I call excitement. Let's see if they can get a quick score here. Because if they do, I think we're going to see an onside kick, and that could determine the outcome of this game.
Now, wait a second, guys. I still can't get over the fact that they were just throwing with the lead late in this game. Unbelievable coaching decision.
They'll go to work at the 43. UCLA comes to the line, only one man in the backfield. Rolls right. He lets it go. He's right there for the interception. Loose football. And they fall on the loose ball. Another interception. That makes 4 on the day.
Somebody needs to put a 10 over these guys, because this is just a circus with all of these turnovers.
First down. First down, look at the throw. He's looking. He rolls left. Throws. It's deflected. And this one falls incomplete. Number 19 was the intended receiver on the play. That'll bring up second down. We're down to our final minute of this ball game. Number 12 comes to the line with 3 wide. Drops back to pass. Looking. Number 12 slings it. And they couldn't hook up on that one. Number 19 was the intended receiver on that pass. So that'll make it third down. from the 44-yard line. It's 3rd down and 10. The Bruins come out going 3 wide. He drops back, rolls to the left, lets it fly. Flags are down, and this one might be on the offense. The Bruins line up with a single set backfield. Here we go. Looks. Lets it go. The ball is tipped, and he's taken down at the 12. Excellent recognition by the quarterback to pick up the blitz and get the ball off in time.
On the next level, one of the things you've got to be able to do is read when the blitz is coming. That play shows that he's on his way of being ready for the big leagues.
They're in the red zone. The Bruins come out in the ace formation. Drops back on 1st down. Throws. They pick up solid yardage there.
Yeah, nice little pitch and catch there. The wideout was able to find a little open space in the defense, and the quarterback was able to get him the ball for a good pickup.
It's 1st and goal. Ball on the 1. Number 12 with 3 wide receivers. He's looking to pass. Short draw. Incomplete pass. What a close call for this defense.
You're absolutely right. You're not going to see him drop the ball like that too often. What a break for the defense.
It's 2nd and goal. 1 yard to the goal line. 3 wideouts here. He drops back. Number 12 throws it out there. Touchdown, Bruins. The quarterback threw a pretty ball there for the touchdown.
But don't forget about the catch. The receiver made one heck of a grab, too.
They'll go for 2 in this situation. The Bruins line up with a single set backfield. Back to pass. Throws this one out to the right. And they get the 2. So we're down to just a few seconds remaining here in the ball game. And our score, Tennessee 10, UCLA 8. UCLA lines up for the kickoff. He kicks off. Number 81 fields it at the 26. It's 1st down. They're in the eye. Gives it to the back. He's tackled at the 34-yard line. There's the final gun, and this game is history. Kirk, any final thoughts here?
This game turned out to be a lot closer than we expected.
UCLA has got to be heartbroken to lose such a close game as this one was. They came in as huge underdogs, but they played their hearts out and almost came away with the big upset.
Folks, thanks for tuning into our game.